Part 2. Itong nanay. Ito ang pinaka-youngest anak. Ito ang second youngest. Ito ang pinaka-oldest. Well, ayun naman yung tatay. So, yeah. Starting! Go! Hi! Magsi-CR muna ako. Set up mo na kayo. It's a lovely sunny day. Papa and George wants to swim. So
Walang George.
So George come to swim. Go, 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 go. Nanonood silang Peppa Pig, diba? Sigma, Sigma, boy, Sigma, boy.
Daddy Pig!
This is my little brother George. This is Mommy Pig. And this is Daddy Pig. Hi, I'm Peppa Pig. This is my little brother George. This is Mommy Pig. And this is Daddy Pig. It's a lovely sunny day. Peppa and George wants to swimming. So, nag-decide sila mag-swimming. Huwag kayong bobo. Peppa Pig! Peppa Pig!
Boba.
I want boba.
Inom ka na lang to.
I want boba. My God, ang laki ng boba. Ay, kissing naman. Madalas mo po.
At ito yung, hindi ko, oh my gosh, hindi ko to kaya. And this is so embarrassing. Ano ba ganun?
Peppa Pig.
Thank you. Okay. Back.
Oh my God, nahulog ka na.
Peppa Pig. Okay na rin na kami.